Keep going. Crazy, Nathan. Crazy. Like there's no tomorrow. Never stop. Even when the solo's over. I'm catching you. Come on. There's nothing you can do. Can't. If I pause it, it'll stop it. If the solo's coming out, so you better get up and get ready. Always get the bear. What are you gonna do with the bear, Nathan? Hold on. I guess I want to do this. Okay, everybody, that was my brother. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Okay, this is my brother Nathan, and this is what he thought it should be when you go crazy on Every Time We Touch by Cascada. This will not be on YouTube, so if it is, somebody stole it from me. But anyway, if you find it, please compliment it. I will check it. And I'll find out who you are, and if you make any bad comments, I will find y'all and kill y'all. Not really. Thank you. Nathan, would you like to say anything about this? Would you like to say anything about the song?
I'm sorry. What was it? Bye.
Okay. Thank you for watching, and good night.